Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we will show you how to create a new task or a housekeeping task. You can create a task from 3 different locations on app.zeevou.com. You can go to the menu and select Tasks. Once you open the task page, click on the Add New Task button on the top right. Select your property and the unit. Then, schedule the date, the time can start from and the time must finish by. Then select the estimated time and the housekeeper. After that, you can set the priority of the task. Finally, click on Add New Task to have the task on the list. You can also go to Tasks. Click on View All Housekeeping Tasks. This will take you to the housekeeping list page. There, you can click on Add New Task and follow the same instructions as mentioned before and create your tasks. And finally, you can also go to the Booking view to create the housekeeping task. Click on the Operations tab and click on Add New Task and follow the same instructions as said before and create your tasks. Click here to watch more tutorials and start growing your business.